everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm sorry, I usually don't have my stand because I haven't been feeling well the last couple of days. But I'm so excited. In the mail, I got my entire, or at least part one of my Jeffree Star Love stick order. So I've got 2 lipsticks, and I have a lip scrub, and then I have one of his mirrors that came out with. It's his dark plum one. Ooh, it's just so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I feel like I'm a kid at Christmas. Like, my birthday's here soon, so this is like part of my birthday present. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyways, we'll hop into this video. Everyone, let's hop into this video. So let's open up with I didn't get everything of his collection. I only got select things. Like, I only got his lip scrub in cherry soda. I just love this red chrome. It's just gorgeous. Like, I get lost in this forever. Dude, like, it smells like cherry soda. Like, I could eat this for days and probably get sick off of it. And then I got his lip ammo in the shade called Sinister. Oh, this is gorgeous too. Oh! Dude, I could die forever. Nah. Oh, that's just beautiful. And then I got the shade Restraints. He had 4 liquid lipsticks, and I only got one of them because this is the one. Oh God, it just spoke to me. Ah. Oh God. You know what? Some people say it's true that makeup is better than sex, and I totally 100% agree with them on that. Oh, I could just die forever. Without further ado, let's get into some swatches and some, just to try them out, just to see how it is. Now, this is Sinister. Now, he had 3 lip ammo, which was Sinister, Androgyny, and Calabasas, but I have Androgyny and Calabasas already as a liquid lipstick. So, let's give this a whirl. It smells like, what is it, what they call it? Like, you go to the ice cream parlor, or like the ice cream truck, and it smells like orange popsicle sticks. God, it smells delicious. It's a little bit rough to get on just because I'm not used to doing something like a lipstick like this. But it does not look bad. Like, it looks like something I'd wear to work and be like, "Ooh, girl." Now we're going to swatch on our hand right here. My hand. Oh God, look how beautiful that is. Just look how beautiful it is. Oh, if I'd had it my way, I'd bathe in Jeffree Star Cosmetics every day of my life, every day. I'd probably stay in there forever. I wouldn't even have a job. I've cleaned off my lips, and now going into the shade Restraints. God, this right here, just, gray metallic speaks to my soul. That's interesting. Looks like you had to layer Restraints. Probably gonna have to do this a couple times. Oh my God. I think I just found my new favorite lipstick right here, and it's, oh god, it's this. You know what? I'm so excited. Like, this is probably like my like this shade right here. I like you, strawberry soda. I mean, cherry soda. But this is just, it's one of my shades that if I just want to look insane or I want to look crazy, this is it right here. Like, gosh. I have something similar to this. It is called Bewitched by the Blood Collection, which Blood on the Dance Floor has their line of lipsticks now. And it's called Bewitched. And it just reminds me of this. And it's like, oh, let's do a swatch. Let's do a swatch. Right next to Sinister. Ah, oh, look at that. It looks like this just came dripping off of the car or something. Like you paint this car in your color. Oh, it's beautiful. And and I have my mirror and I just look cool. I don't, even without makeup on, I probably just, like, if I wore this alone, they'd be like, ooh, girl. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Like, this is definitely, like, Jeffree Star has done it again with his liquid lipsticks. I am so happy. Part 2 will be coming this way when I get the Blood Sugar palette in the mail. I did pre-order it, so hopefully it will be here soon. It said 4 or 5 weeks, and that was, I ordered it on the 10th. So it's been a week and a half, so I'm hoping around my birthday it will be here and I can do a review. Anyways, this is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that I look terrible. I feel terrible. Haven't been feeling well. But I did come up and make this video for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you.